In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Megabonk on PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Playing Megabonk on PC is extremely simple. The game is a hit indie game recently released, so as you can see, it dropped on Steam on the 18th of September of this year. And at the moment, it is incredibly popular. If you go to Twitch, you will see a lot of streamers playing it. Overall, the ratings are extremely good. And in order to play this game officially, you have to purchase it through Steam. So if you go to the Steam page here on the Steam store, you can find the game available in your own local currency. You will have to purchase the game through Steam, so if you have never used it before, you will add the game to your cart, proceed to checkout, and then choose from a variety of payment methods. You can browse through screenshots, see the reviews, and if you scroll down here, you can see the system requirements. But because this is an indie game and you can tell that the graphics aren't a big of a focus, it is going to run on very old computers as well. So it is going to run regardless of the hardware that you have. Make sure that you purchase the game through Steam and you will be able to play. To my knowledge, there aren't any other official websites. The game was dropped on Steam by this developer, VDNAD, and it has been made available ever since September. It is incredibly popular at the moment, and we can expect to see more updates in the future. Right now, there are no expansions, so it is just the base game. You purchase, and you will be able to play, earn the achievements, and enjoy the game through Steam. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make high quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.